looking at. This is the old tank, and as you can see close up here, the condition of the tank, it's far overdue for replacement. The air volume control valve is about to explode and shoot out of there. There was the pressure switch, and this is a 2 horsepower system. And on that wall, shortly, there will be a Pump Tech Plus computerized protection system for their well system. And the tank that I'm going to install will be a fiberglass 120 gallon. I'll have it out of the box shortly. But now I'm going to disassemble and clear the area. More later.